Welcome everyone, my name is Nomi and I'm out here in the woods to harvest some stinging nettle today. Now stinging nettle is a beautiful, delicious, nutritious, full of minerals, full of nutrients, wild edible plant. It's great for tea and it's great to cook up as it is. Now best times to harvest it is in springtime. When they're low to the ground, they're nice and tender, and later on in the summer they get really fibrous. Now the date is April 23rd today, so it's a great time to harvest them. They're at the perfect size, and we'll get into it today. Now I know you're wondering, stinging nettle? Some of you might know about stinging nettle's medicinal properties, but a lot of you might not, because it stings. But when you cook it up or you put it in boiling water, the stinging goes away. So I got my bag, my trusty bag. Didn't bring my basket today because I biked here. I got some paper bags. One thing I didn't bring is clippers, but I got my little I got my hands. My hands will do just fine. One thing I did bring though, and make sure you do this as well if you're coming out here to harvest nettles, stinging nettles, bring some gloves, because you're gonna need them, because when it brushes up against you, it hurts. It's not fun. So we're gonna harvest some stinging nettles today. We're gonna put them in my paper bag and stick them in my backpack. Let's get into it. And here's some beautiful stinging nettles right here. Perfect size. I'm trying to be careful around here so I don't hurt myself on these. But you can just use your hands. Look at that. Beautiful. It's got the purple underleaf. The stem is nice and tender. Just what we need. Now, I'm planning to dry some of this and probably cook some up at home. And again, it's really good for tea. One good way I like to use this plant is I dry it up and I powder it, and then you can use it as a spice in your meals. It has a really tasty flavor, and it's a really good way, if you didn't want to eat the whole plant, it's a really good way to get the nutrients and the minerals of this plant into your body. It's very healing. A lot of people use it for arthritis, things like that. Some people actually believe that if you whap the stinging on your body where you're sore, that the sting itself has healing properties. Now, I'm not too sure about that, but some people swear by it. So I'm not going to, there's some bird poop on that leaf. I'm not going to discredit it because I don't know. I've never tried to use it in that way. And I don't really plan to, because it hurts. Now this plant has these little spikes on it, which act like little needles. And if you can see them there, they're all over the plant. It hurts. That's what hurts you, those little spikes. And they're crystals. They're crystals that the plant produces based on a bunch of different chemicals. And one of the chemicals being serotonin. It injects serotonin, the love molecule, and injects that into your skin, and it causes irritation. Doesn't make you feel good, even though serotonin's responsible for making you feel good. Not in this context. It doesn't do very good when it's injected into your skin. But yeah, almost done harvesting some of these. I usually like to use clippers, but when they're this young, you can just break them off. And the cool thing about stinging nettles is they'll grow back. They're really nice herbs in that way, because they're in the mint family, actually. They have the opposite opposing leaves and a square stem. So they're herbs in that way where if you break it, I'll give you an example here. You can see right here, there's two more leaves coming up here. So if you, a smart way to do it is if you just pluck it off there, when this is in the ground, more stems will grow up from those sides there. So I'm not harming this plant, just harvest responsibly. Just take a few, don't mow. Obviously don't mow down this area, get rid of them all, because they need a bit to come back. So I've seen some people do that. That's not very cool. Just be respectful of the plant, of Mother Earth. Just take what you need and don't over harvest. All right, I think Maybe 2 more. I think that's about does it for me. I think that's enough to powder and to have some for tea and some food. Thank you for watching this short little video of the stinging nettle today. It's been really nice to be able to get back outside and be able to harvest some plants again. Get out into Mother Nature and yeah, do this kind of stuff. I hope you enjoyed the video. One thing I like to do with these stinging nettles, see at the top there, there's this fresh tip. You can pluck it off, crunch it up. I'm not getting stung, because I'm not getting rubbed by it. Plop it in your mouth. Mmm. Oh, it's so good. Super nutritious. You can just taste that flavor. Wow, that's really good. If you enjoy these videos, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you'll be notified when I upload new videos. I'll see you in the next video. Stay tuned for more coming soon. More garden videos, more foraging videos, more bushcraft, survival type videos. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.